Good day, everyone. I am DepEd, a teacher 1 applicant for junior high school. I am a graduate of a vocational course which is Food and Beverage Services National Certificate 2. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the skills I acquired from the training. So let's get started. Every time you go to a restaurant, the very first thing that people are trying to observe is the table presentation. We often see common things like the quality of the tablecloth, the centerpiece, and the dinnerwares and the flatwares, and of course, the food. Many years ago, there is one thing in the table presentation that served to protect the dresses of the people who are taking the meals. In this generation, we are certain that this thing is not just a necessity during meals, but also this can be used to decorate your tables, especially in fine dining. I am referring to table napkin. And in this video, I'm going to teach you and show you the steps on how to make 10 different table napkin folds that can be used in events or special gatherings. Before we start, we need one material only, which is the table napkin. So I have here my table napkin, and we're going to start with the very first table napkin fold that I'm going to show you the steps.
The first one is the Lotus fold, and here are the steps. First step is fold 4 corners towards the center diagonally. The second step is gently flip the napkin. The third step is fold the 4 corners again towards the center, just like what we did before. And the fourth step is pull out the folded corners beneath the napkin. The second napkin fold is the bowl. The first step is fold the napkin diagonally. The second step is trace the center of the base of the triangle and fold 2 sides in different direction. The last step is flip the napkin. The third is candle fold. The first step is fold your napkin in half diagonally. The second step is fold the base part for once and flip. And the last step is roll the base tightly from left to right. Make sure to tuck it. The fourth napkin fold is the fan. The first step is fold your napkin vertically in half. The second step is fold one side alternately from the bottom to the top. Afterwards, fold it in half to create your lock. This lock will help your napkin to be able to stand. Next, we have the pinwheel fold. For the first step, fold your napkin corner diagonally towards the center. The next step is fold the top and bottom halfway meeting each other's edge. Make sure to do the same thing for the left and right side. And lastly, gently hold the center while pulling off the folded corners behind the napkin. Number 6 is the rows. So the first step is fold your napkin in half diagonally. The next one is roll from the base to the top. Make sure to do it as thin as possible. The third step is roll it from left to right or vice versa. The fourth one is tuck it in. And lastly is spread the remaining parts. These parts will serve as the petals. Next one is the 3-point fold. The first step is fold your napkin in half diagonally. Next step is fold the right side, almost reaching the left side, and do it twice. Next is the birds of paradise. The first step is fold your napkin twice, one vertically and one horizontally. The second is fold it once diagonally. The third one is fold it in half to form your lock. Make sure to tuck it in. And flip both sides together. Lastly, pull each sleeves upwards. Number 9 is the single pocket fold. The first step is fold your napkin twice horizontally but alternately. The second step is flip it and fold vertically 3 times. The last one is the triple pocket fold. The first step is fold your napkin in half from left to right and from bottom to top. Next step is fold the top right corner down diagonally. The third is fold down the next layer and tuck behind the first. Next is fold down the third layer and tuck behind the second. Next is fold right side under for about an inch. Same with the other side.
That's it for my 10 different table napkin folds. I hope you learned from this short video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Good day everyone. I am DepEd Application, a Teacher 1 applicant for junior high school. I am a graduate of a vocational course which is Food and Beverage Services National Certificate 2. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate you the skills I acquired from the